Today, we will talk about capital markets and how they work. Capital markets are where savings and investments are channeled between suppliers and those in need. Suppliers, such as banks and investors, have capital to lend or invest, while businesses, governments, and individuals seek capital in these markets. The most common capital markets include the stock market and the bond market, which seek to bring suppliers together with those seeking capital and provide a place for them to exchange securities. Capital markets are made up of both the suppliers and users of funds. Suppliers include households, institutions like pension funds, life insurance companies, and non-financial companies with excess cash. The users of funds include home and motor vehicle purchasers, non-financial companies, and governments. Capital markets are primarily used to sell financial products such as equities and debt securities, like stocks and bonds, and are divided into two categories: primary and secondary markets. The primary market is where companies publicly sell new stocks or bonds for the first time, like in an initial public offering. This market is subject to strict regulation, with companies needing to file statements with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and other securities agencies. Small investors are often unable to buy securities on the primary market, which is marketed to large investors who can buy more securities at once. The secondary market includes venues like the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq, where previously issued securities are traded between investors. The secondary market has two categories: the auction market, where buyers and sellers congregate in one location, and dealer markets, where people trade through electronic networks. While there is overlap, capital markets and financial markets have some fundamental distinctions, with capital markets specifically dealing with the exchange of funds between suppliers and those who seek capital. Here are two key takeaways. 1. Capital markets refer to the venues where funds are exchanged between suppliers and those who seek capital for their own use. 2. The best-known capital markets include the stock market and the bond markets. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.